the buffalo milk being the second most consumed after cow's milk. You might be wondering, why buffalo milk? Well, it's prized for its richness and creaminess, making it ideal for cheese production. Compared to cow's milk, buffalo milk has a higher fat content, which gives cheese a distinct flavor and texture. Let's explore how buffalo milk turns into delicious cheese in a detailed process. We start in fields where buffaloes graze peacefully. Cheese quality depends on the milk. Buffalo milk is thick and creamy, perfect for cheese making. It's different from cow's milk and adds a special taste to the cheese. After the milking process, which is done with utmost care to maintain hygiene and ensure the well-being of the buffaloes, the milk is collected in large containers and heated up until 38 degrees. It's crucial that the milk is fresh and cooled quickly to maintain its quality. The preparation for cheese making begins with pasteurization, a process that kills any harmful bacteria without affecting the milk's natural enzymes and flavors that are essential for cheese making. Milk transforms into cheese during curdling. Acid or bacteria are added to adjust milk's acidity. Rennet, enzymes, is added to make milk solid. This separates into curds which become cheese. Solidified milk is cut to determine cheese texture. Curds are stirred and heated to separate from whey. Timing and temperature control are important. Whey is drained from curds by filtering. Then, curds are pressed into molds. Pressing removes remaining whey, shapes the cheese, and sets texture. Cheese matures over weeks to years, developing unique flavors and textures. Enzymes and bacteria change it. Different cheeses need different aging times and conditions. After aging, cheese is ready. Its texture and taste depend on type and aging. Serve at room temperature and store properly to maintain quality. Making cheese from buffalo milk involves many steps. From field to aging room, each step is crucial for the final flavor. Making cheese at home can be fun. Try different methods to find your perfect cheese. And if you're curious about the stories behind other everyday items, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.